Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Since the year 2000, investors could rely on Jamaica broilers' dividend. Now, with its US-based operations reeling from a US $13 million loss, the Jamaican chicken conglomerate will not pay dividends this year. The company's dividend policy mandates that it pays out 20% of its net profits in dividends annually. It has been paying a dividend in March, April, and October, November of every year since 2000. The board recently fired the entire USA division's management team due to the losses. Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company Limited raised $500 million in its initial public offering ahead of listing on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange on Friday, a feat the company described as a historic milestone. The listing also closed 5% oversubscribed, which included 499.9 million shares at $1 per share. This represented 20% of the company's outstanding 2.5 billion shares, which means Atlantic Hardware is now valued at $2.5 billion. For the trading period ending April 7, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited US dollar shares with 20,050,886 units traded, representing 49.42% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 5,279,142 units traded, representing 13.01% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited Jamaican dollar shares with 2,951,869 units traded, representing 7.28% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On April 7, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $56.05 million purchased and US $62.36 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.45 per dollar, selling the US at $158.64 and buying the US at $157.19. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.71 per transaction, with selling at $112.31 and buying at $110.60. The British pound yielded Forex traders $8.23 in profits, with selling at $206.03 and buying at $197.80. For our credit report tip of the day, let's be honest. Rebuilding credit isn't just about numbers. It's about navigating systems that weren't built to support you when you're trying to bounce back. But that doesn't mean you stop. It means you get strategic. It means you stay wealth-minded even when the system feels stacked. First, know your rights. You have a right to dispute errors and receive a timely response. Then keep a contact log. Write down the names, titles, and times of every person you speak with. Documentation is power. Now, rebuilding your financial life as a woman, a professional woman over the age of 45, can feel like an uphill battle, especially when life has thrown its fair share of setbacks. But stop praising the poverty struggle. There's nothing to be gained there. The people who are really succeeding are the ones who have a real goal to be wealthy. You have to fight to stay wealth-minded. So get up, get out, and get your fire back. Here are a few ideas to create an atmosphere for cash flow using the very life you've lived. Create a wealth map. List your skills, experiences, contacts, and passions as monetizable assets. Then eliminate toxic financial thinking. Remove guilt, shame, or it's too late thinking. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step forward to your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.